Hello, this is Nick from Nexus Property Management, Worcester. Just coming today to show you this new unit that we have for rent. This is 53 Wall Street. And this is a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom, single-family house in Worcester. And I just want to start off by showing you what it looks like when you come in through the front here. So you're going to see those windows. Those go off to a mudroom. Real front entrance is here. So there's a mudroom, a little bit of space for some storage, and also just, nice little separator in there. Helps keep things a little bit insulated from just having to be right out onto the road. And then you come inside. So there's a upstairs level, has all 3 bedrooms, kitchen, bathroom, and living room are down here. The first thing you notice is just how big it is. So really open space floor plan. Nice vinyl floors all the way kind of throughout here. Just good arches and built-in storage. So those are some closets that have some built-in shelving. It's radiator heat, gas heat, kind of goes throughout the apartment. It's very good to see in here. It's very rare that you're going to see a living room kind of this size, if you consider that it all goes through the same place. Kind of loops around. That door down there that goes to the basement, behind that built-in closet behind the arch. And so you do have, big sense of light. So you got a lot of light coming through, as well as like the different lights that kind of go throughout the apartment. So very nice open living room, very nice open, bright living room. Coming into the kitchen, great finishes in here as well. You have the granite style countertops. Cabinets are in really good shape. And then you have the set of the appliances. So you got a 4-burner top stove, as well as the fridge that's right there. And I'm just going to kind of go around and try to give you the best idea of the size of this place as I can, just by the dimensions, angles, and everything like that. Here's another mudroom. You got 2 mudrooms coming into this place, so both means of the egress. This one's a little bit wider. And so, just coming in here, laying down the, laying down the rug or a mat to kind of wipe off shoes in the winter makes it really useful. Can you get another close-up of this kitchen over here? Very beautiful. You got the stainless steel sink. Really awesome to see that. Here's the bathroom. So you kind of see everything with this. You got a full shower, full stand-in shower, plus a small tub in here, plus the sink and the mirror that you get there. So that's the bathroom on the first floor level. Now let's go upstairs to kind of take a look through, go through this doorway. Take a look at the other 3 bedrooms that we have. It's also ample storage space up here. Two of the bedrooms have these closets in there, and to make up for the 3rd one down the hall not having one, there's a walk-in closet on the side there. So we'll take a look at that as well. This is bedroom number 1, so this is the one that's out facing the road. Really nice finishing here. The paint's in great shape, as well as having this, big closet space there. So bedroom 1, if you had to go through, you could say bedroom 2 over here. Probably not as big in the actual spaces, bedroom number 1, but still very good. You do get a good amount of light in here too. A little bit early in the morning today, so the sun's not actually necessarily facing, but nice closet space. And the vinyl floors in here are in really good shape as well. Here's the walk-in closet. So you can walk into this closet. And there's the 2 closet racks, clothing racks there. Very good bit of storage, And then here is bedroom number 3. This one's got a very good amount of space as well. So coming off the hallway in here, you kind of have easily all these bedrooms would fit at least a queen size bed. And then depending on which one, you could also get a desk in here or a dresser. Downstairs is big enough for 2, sectional couches and 2 entertainment systems if you wanted. So that's really all great to see here in this single family house. No sharing walls with really anybody, because it's its own unit. So, and yeah, that was 53 Wall Street in Worcester. If you want to see a full list of our vacancies, you can go to nexuswor.com and go to our for rent page. And this has been Nick from Nexus Property Management, Worcester.